eagles on the ready, soaring high and mighty. We unite together for a better nation. The grand fraternal order of Philippine Eagles International. We are the brotherhood of peace, helping one another become better. Brothers in building and leading the way to help those in need. Our fellowship is the key. We fly as one with courage, honor and integrity, with an unwavering love for God, family and country. We're eagles on the ready, soaring high and steady. Service to mankind, we're the eagles flying mighty. On you, service! The grand fraternal order of Philippine Eagles International. On the ready, soaring high and steady. Our purpose to inspire change, helping our fellow men. We're eagles on the ready, soaring high and mighty. We unite together for a better nation. The grand fraternal order of Philippine Eagles International. We are the brotherhood of peace, helping one another become better. Brothers in building and leading the way to help those in need. Our fellowship is the key. We fly as one with courage, honor and integrity, with an unwavering love for God, family and country. We're eagles on the ready, soaring high and steady. Service to mankind, we're the eagles flying mighty. On you, service! The grand fraternal order of Philippine Eagles International.
Kuya. Yan.
Tayo po tayo lahat. Tayo po.
Welcome, Kuya RG! Talaga nakabarong sa lahat eh.
I would like to acknowledge the arrival of our regional governor, Kuya Engineer Benedict Panganiban.
Sana din na lahat. Yan ang tanggalin yan.
Thank you, Kuya RG, sa pagdalo.
Ay, busy tayo. Ito na ba yung mga magiting natin? Ha? Ito mga aspirant?
Yes, Kuya.
Mag-initiate kami rin po rin.
To our presidents, second presidents, Kuya Kuya Leo Pawa Jr. of Maagap Magiting Eagle Circle number 34. So, Kuya Roji Estabilio of Maagap Mandirigma Eagle Circle number 48. Our past president, Kuya Orlando Estabilio Jr. The Grand Fraternal Order of Philippine Eagles International Regional Governor, worthy brother, Engineer Benedict Paniban. Officers and fellow Eagles. Thank you sa pagdala niyo ngayong araw kahit paano nakadal po tayo sa ating pagtitipon, and we gather here once again to strengthen our band, our foster unity, and to uphold our noble principle. So siguro mag-toast tayo mga kuya. Let's toast for palagay nyo natin.
Shot na talaga yan eh.
Okay, worthy brothers, I would like to ask you please stand, please. Let's toast for our heritage, for community service, sa hangarin ng Maringal na Agila, and most of all, the unwavering Maringal na Agila spirit. Mabuhay ang Maringal na Agila! Thank you. Thank you very much, mga kuya. Pero nais kong tawagin ang ating regional governor para sa kanyang mensahe sa atin. Thank you.
Thank you, the Chief of Staff of the Regional Office of the Grand Fraternal Order of the Philippine Eagles. And incoming Regional Governor of Grand Isabela District. Pakalaman natin si Mandi. And of course, the presence of our Circle President of Maagap Magiting, Kuya Leo Pawa. Naalala ko si Doming Pabalin namin. And of course, the Circle President of Maagap Mandirigma. Roji. Estabilio. Ayan, Estabilio. So I want to greet you, all of you, in the celebration of your year-end party for 2024. And I hope this coming year will be much better for us, Maringal na Agila. And I wish that my worthy brothers here will help each other, foster unity. Tampo-tampo, ano lang eh, okay, parang mag-asawa lang yan, di ba? Merong tampo, pero nagkakasama-sama, katulad nito ngayon, na meron tayong pagtitipon lahat. Para pangalungan natin sa inyo. So, yun, dapat family-oriented din tayo. Papakita natin, di ba? Ha? Mamaya, fellowship kayo. Ang babae na. Pero, meron gano'n eh. May mga brother tayo dyan, nahuli. Kaya, sa isang organisasyon, dagdagan pa natin yung dasal natin. Hindi matagal tayo. Maraming pagsubok sa buhay eh. Di ba tao tayo eh? Oo. Kung tao tayo, natural, wala namang madaling buhay. maraming pagsubok. Pero sa pagsubok na yan, dapat tumibay tayo. Hindi lang dito sa organisasyon natin, kundi sa pamilya natin, at sa nakapito pagkasama natin sa pamilya. Natin, tiyaga, tiis. Siguro ang word natin yan, tiyaga at tiis. Kaya, mga minamahal kong working brothers, ako talagang meron pa akong meeting doon sa Santiago, yung ginawa kasi kami ledwall na malaki eh. Parang 8 by 12 na magkaganon eh. May inspection doon. Pero sabi ko, pupuntahan ko muna ito. So, magandang hapon na, di ba? Hapon na sa ating lahat. I hope we enjoy this very fruitful celebration of the Worthy Brothers for the goodness of ourselves and also for una sa lahat, number one sa lahat. Pasasalamat natin sa Panginoon. Palakpakan po natin lahat. Magandang hapon po. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Kuya RJ. Muling mo na namang pinaramdam sa amin mga kuya ng pagmamahal mo sa TG Popeye family dito sa Isabela District. Palakpakan po natin mga kuya. Mabuhay ang Manila na.